Working in an area which suits your wishes is important to stay focused. The effect disturbing noises can have on your concentration is highly underestimated. Working in an office building means having to deal with different noise levels. Your working environment should also give you enough privacy to have confidential conversations. This requires good sound isolation. Maars understands these demands and tests the sound insulation of their walls in-house. Every wall is tested in the Maars laboratory to establish optimal sound reduction. After the in-house test, the products are tested in an accredited lab. This way, Maars enables everyone to work in a silent environment.